Hello, welcome to Medical English. Many people pronounce this word wrong, and the word is asthma. Today, I will break down the pronunciation of this word. We will also discuss the meaning and usage. So let's start. When I break down the pronunciation, you will understand that why many people pronounce it wrong. The correct pronunciation is asthma. It's a two-syllable word. Even though there is S and F in the spelling of the word, but it's pronounced as Z. As. A sound is as in apple, and then at the end is a short sound. Asthma. Say it with me. Asthma. Asthma is a medical condition that makes it hard to breathe because the airways become narrow. Example sentence. The doctor talked about asthma during the visit. This word has two forms. Asthma, the condition itself, and the other form is asthmatic. Now, how to pronounce asthmatic? So it is three-syllable word, as, ma, and then t sound is short d sound. In North America, it's not pronounced as t, it's little d. Asthmatic. Asthmatic. It can be used as a noun or adjective. A person with asthma is asthmatic, or describing someone with asthma. Now tell me, were you surprised with the pronunciation of asthma? Let's practice the usage of it. The patient has asthma and needs an inhaler. My brother is asthmatic, so he avoids dusty places. She carries her inhaler when running because of her asthma. He had an asthma attack and needed immediate help. People with asthma should stay away from smoke. Here are some common collocations. Collocations means when two words are always used together. Asthma attack, severe asthma, mild asthma, asthma symptoms. She had severe asthma attack last night. Is there any word you want to learn from me? The pronunciation, meaning, or usage? Let me know in comments. How did you like this lesson? If you liked it, let me know in the comments. Or if you want any improvement, again, give your suggestions. Take care and bye until next lesson.